cool is it when we get to walk into companies and see some of the areas that aren't previously disposed to the cameras, when they let us in to showcase what's going on behind the scenes, and none better than my buddy Aaron, who is third generation, working on fourth generation, to show us around and talk a little bit more about what's going on here at Master Fluid Solutions. Aaron, I hope you're doing well, my friend.
Thanks very much, Tony. It's good to be with you.
What's it like? What's the growth been like? What's the company been like? And what all do you guys create?
Well, I think, Master's story is kind of the American dream. The founders, Clyde and Marian Sluhan, were wonderful people that worked extremely hard to build this business. And, those of us that are here, whether we're in the fourth generation or not, we see ourselves as stewards of that. And we want Master to be here for another 70 years and to make it better while we're here.
Well, I know you will be. And I know a lot of people out there kind of accidentally, maybe don't mean to, but oftentimes put coolant on the back burner of all of the processes when they're looking at their machines. But we're starting to realize as a community in manufacturing how significant it is. And knowing that you've had 70 years doing this, what does this process, how did you guys go about being a global leader with all of these massive tanks behind me, all of these pipes going around everywhere? What sets you guys apart when we think about coolants out in the industry right now?
Well, I think most importantly, it's a cultural element of Master, in that we're dedicated to doing things that benefit the customer. We've been very consistent about staying focused on the customer over the years and really trying to deliver to the customer what they need. And their demands are high, their expectations are high, and what they're asking for is difficult to achieve. But that doesn't bother us. We know it's going to take a lot of time and a lot of effort by a broad array of really smart folks that work here at Master, and we're dedicated to doing that so we can give our customers better and better products to choose from. I think the other thing is we've stayed narrowly focused on reductive metal machining and the relationship between the parts that the customer is trying to manufacture, the sophistication of the machine tools, tooling packages, and all the variety of applications that the industrial folks have. It's difficult to give them a set of product that will achieve everything that they need, but we're dedicated to delivering to the customer what they want.
I'm absolutely sure that they appreciate that, and coming from you, I know it means a lot, especially to your existing customers. So if I'm a potential customer, and we have lots of potential customers, we're talking millions of viewers around the world, right? Potential customers, what would you say to me to go, you know what, it is about customer service, it's about support, we can create what you want, and this is what sets us apart from why you might want to work with us, other than just being family owned, authentic, transparent, and really good human beings in general as I'm walking around meeting everyone.
Thanks, Tony. I think that it's important for us to remember that each one of your viewers that is doing some kind of machining, they're a unique customer. Their combination of materials and tooling and machines and the parts that they're making is in some way different than everybody else. And so their challenges are different. And what Master tries to do through our products, number one, is make sure that we've got the best technology that they could possibly use to cover the variety of situations and applications that they've got. And then number two, we support that with an incredibly talented and well-trained and experienced sales and service team. These folks out, our district sales managers and service engineers, they don't just know about machining fluids, they know about machining. They're part makers, they know about tooling, they know how to solve problems that our customers and your viewers are having on a daily basis when it comes to making high quality parts in their machine shops.
Aaron, absolutely brilliant answer. I got to give you some love from that. I connected to it as well. And so to kind of elaborate on what you just described, I had the opportunity to walk around. We see a gentleman behind us mixing some batches right now. The tank we're standing in front of, absolutely massive. If I'm a potential customer or existing customer, I can call you and say, hey, I need a specific batch based on my material, based on my process, whatever's going on. And it can be maximized in this huge tank where we're talking 60 gallons, 100 gallons, whatever it might be. But you also have what you guys are calling a salad bar for kind of the smaller. So you cater from small companies to large companies and everything in between when you're talking about that personalized customer service, aren't you?
Right. Our customers and distributors have a wide variety of needs in terms of how much they need, when they need it, how frequently they need it, and we built this operation to be as flexible and responsive as possible. And we know a lot of our competitors deliver in, say, 4 and 6 week lead time. So we try to be much more responsive to our customers and distributors.
Aaron, I do appreciate your time. I know you're a busy dude. Really, really great answers. Master Fluid Solution, guys, for those of you out there, this is a global company, and we know we have a global audience. So anywhere around the world, you get buddies like Aaron over here and all the other folks you've met through this company. So reach out anytime. You can Google them, look them up. You have a partner for life. Aaron, thank you one more time for sharing your story with MTD.